we were shocked that the warrant specified that the reason for his rearrest at the airport was because he failed to turn up for a hearing on Monday, which is utter rubbish, because that could not be the case, because the man was on his way to the airport, and in fact he checked through with the airlines and passed through the immigration. And the immigration kept his passport. But finally, in defending Dominic, we have to say that he should not be rearrested. The arrest was illegal, unlawful from the beginning. His detention continued to be unlawful.
This time, 56A is being challenged, and 56A itself, which brings about a conflict.
He is putting up very well, but I'm sure deep inside he is totally frustrated. You're right, because he was just 10 minutes from total freedom.
Yes, bogus charge.